in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you can do if you're up to 50 subscribers or even more than 50 subscribers and you're not able to live stream. The previous video I did about how to live stream on YouTube, I got a comment from somebody that she has over 50 subscribers, but it keeps telling her to create more shorts to be able to live stream. So I had to, make a video on this because I believe there will be so many people out there as well that are having this challenge. And I also realized this on my other channel because I had 80 something subscribers at some point and I was not able to live stream. There was a particular time I tried it and it was telling me to create more shorts, so I couldn't do it. Then there was another time I tried using Restream on it and it worked, and then I tried it again recently after getting the comment of this lady. I tried it again and realized that it's still telling me that I cannot live stream, but it wasn't telling me to create more shorts. So I then had to try other means. I tried using my MacBook for it and I was able to realize that I can actually live stream. So I'm going to be showing you details on exactly what to do, but I want you to realize that if you're having any of these issues, you need to at least wait for some days in case your subscriber count is not fully updated yet, because sometimes it takes some days to update. So give it some days. If it's updated, then you can try. But if you give it days and it's updated and it's still not working, then the next thing is to try to use your laptop, to go live, and then it will definitely grant you access. So just stick on with me as I try to show you how to go about it. Just in case your channel has more than 50 subscribers and you're not able to live stream, so I'll be showing you using my second channel so that you can know what exactly to do. So on here you can see that I have 85 subscribers, but I cannot live stream. If you click on this plus button, and click on live, this is what it says. For some people it will say add more shots to meet the eligibility criteria. So that was what it was telling me before I tried Restream with it. So for you to be able to do mobile live streaming on this, knowing fully well that you have more than 50 subscribers, you then need to try going live using the desktop version. So now let's try to do this. Okay, so now we are here on the dashboard, and then let's try to go live here. You go to create and you click go live. So when I tried using the YouTube dashboard, to go live, it didn't work. I tried it severally. It did not give me any results. So now I'm going to go into my MacBook and try to go live directly from there. Though I'm not able to screen record directly from there, but I'm going to be showing you what I did and how it worked. So please stick on with me. Hey guys, I just want to use the system. I'm not able to screen record on this system, but I just wanted to see trying to go live directly on the system. And so I press create here and then click go live. Let's wait to see what happens. Yes, so you can see here it's saying welcome to the new YouTube live control room. When do you want to go live? Get set up to live stream now. Don't worry, you have a chance to review settings before you are live. So let's just click start. This is built-in webcam and streaming software. So recommended for first time, no setup required. Use the existing webcam for easy way. and then you click go. As you can see, it's working. As you can see from here, it's working. It shows use available cameras, use available, and it's already showing a preview of how it looks like if I'm going live. So that shows that this can work if you are using your system. If it gives any form of issue on the phone, then use a system and then it's going to work. This will definitely work, as you can see here. So I don't want to go live, so let me just click allow. Then you can see it says details, customization, visibility. So details, just for you to write your details and all. Customization, you write the title, visibility and all. So I don't want to do this. I don't want to continue from here, but I just want you to realize that if you have this issue, this is something you can do on your system. Thank you so much. So guys, this is how I was able to combat this. I hope this will really help a lot of people out there. But if you're still having issues and you still go on your laptop or your system and you're not able to get any results, then you might have to contact support. But this is the way I was able to combat this, and I hope this really helps. If you found this video very helpful and if this video really resonates with you, please give it a thumbs up. Please share on to others that will be in need of this, and also please subscribe for more growth tips like this. And if you're seeing a video on my end screen, please do well to watch it, as it's going to be impactful to you. Thank you so much, amazing family. I really do appreciate every one of you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.